In this video, I'm going to be walking you step by step how to create an anchor link, or you call it an anchor menu. And basically, this is what it looks like. Now, if I click on this link, you can see it takes me to a particular section on the website on the same page. All right. So this comes very handy, especially if you are working on a one-page website or you want to allow for easy access or easy flow within your website. Okay. So you can also use the menu item. Maybe if I should click on a particular menu, maybe the contact or about or anything on the menu, and to just scroll itself to that particular section on that same page. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be walking you through how to do that. So before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button right now. So it's absolutely free to subscribe, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified of subsequent video. So thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, let's go ahead and start doing that. So to get started with, this website is done with Elementor page builder. So you go to edit with Elementor. So I already have it here already opened. Okay. So to start with, you go to that particular section where you want the link to go to. Right. So this is it. If you look here, if I should click on this link now, so it's taking me to this page, best seller products. All right. And you can see here, best seller product. So what you do is, so let me delete it first. So what you do is you come over to this your element section where you look for have a widget. So you search for anchor. Okay, so menu anchor. And then you drag it and then you put it just above where you want it to be. Okay. Now once you put it there, you come over here, this will show up the ID of the menu. So you can put in a keyword there or a key term or whatever you want to put. But take a look at this and notice the ID link only accepts this character. That's A to Z, both capital and small letter, and then 0 to 9. So maybe I want to use the word product. So I'll just put in product. It could be anything, okay? So I'll put in product. So this is done on this part. Now I'll go to that particular button or that particular menu that I want to click on that will take me to this page. Now this time around, I use this. Okay, I use this particular. So you look for where the link is. So this is where I'm to paste the link. So instead of pasting the link of the website, what you just put is you just put hash and that keyword that you used. Okay, you can see we use products. I'll just put hash and then put products. Okay, so that's hash and product. The hash sign or the hash symbol, then products, no space. Okay, take note, and then the word you put there, and that is just it. You go ahead and then publish and you save. So with that, you'll be able to add your anchor. So if I should come back here, then you click on it, you can see it will take you there. Now you can see it is within with the website. If you want to do it on the menu also, it's the same process for the menu. So what you just need to do is go to your dashboard. So once I'm on my dashboard, I come to appearance and I come to menu. So maybe I want to use, let me select the menu one. Okay, so that's the main menu. And then I click on select now. So I want to use the main menu. Maybe I want to create, so I'm going to use a custom link for that. So go to custom link and then, so let me just give it a name. So let me just give it a name. Let me just also name it product. All right, so for the link also it's the same process. You just put hashtag and then product. All right, so the link text is what will appear on the menu. Okay, so it's not necessary you use the same products. Okay, I just want to use that keyword. So let me click on add to menu. So this is it here, and then let me save. All right, so I've saved that. So if I should come back to the website now, so let me just refresh this. So if I should click on it now, it should take me to that page. So you can see it here to take me there. Now, there's one thing that you might notice is that the title here is too close to the top of the page. So maybe you want to give it some padding. So you can just go back to where you have edit with Elementor, come back to where you have the anchor menu itself. Where are you? All right, so this section. So what you can do is you can give it some padding or margin just below. So let me just give it some margin. So it will be at the bottom. So that would be, let me say I want to add 30. Okay. So go ahead and publish that. So let me go back to the home page. Let me refresh. Right, so let me just go back to any of the buttons. So if I should click on it now, right, so you can see there is a space above it. So guys, so that's it on how to create an anchor menu or a menu anchor, whatever way you want to call it, or an anchor link. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, guys. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.